Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can load paper into Canon Selphy. So it's going to be an extremely simple process. The first thing that you want to do is to basically grab your paper tray on your Selfie printers, and basically you have two arches right here. For the first one, this is where the print is going to sit, and this one is going to say elevated. But on the other side, there's going to be the open option. You just want to go ahead and lift this up, and then it will simply look something like this. Now you then want to go ahead and insert your paper. Just make sure that it is on the correct orientation, facing up on the glossy side, and close it back in. Make sure to go ahead and put the cover down, and then reinsert it back onto your Selfie printer, which will look something like this. And it's going to be a lot easier if you place it all on a table. Slide it in and you should be good to go. Make sure that the paper is locked onto the printer right here, and the arch is on the other side of the printer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.